Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best blankets in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Sherpa Fleece Throw Blanket for Couch. Thick and warm blanket for winter, soft and fuzzy, throw blanket for sofa. Fall throw blanket. Gray, 50 x 60 inches. Sherpa Fleece Blanket is an affordable option that earned high marks during our home testing thanks to its soft feel and ease of washing. With a weight of 260 grams per square meter, GSM. It's lightweight with a warm outer shell that will keep you warm and cozy throughout the year. This blanket has velvety microfiber fleece on one side and Sherpa, fox sheepskin on the other. We love that it comes in over 20 colors and 4 sizes: throw, twin, queen, and king. While it doesn't have a particularly high-end look or feel, it maintains its shape and texture after washing and drying, a quality that's especially impressive given the low price. Number 4. Luna Weighted Blanket Cotton Cooling. Breathable 100% Oeko-Tex Premium Quality Cool Soft Blanket. All seasons weighted blankets for adults, 15 olds. Full, 48 x 72. Light gray. The Luna Cooling Bamboo Weighted Blanket is, in fact, a cool-to-touch blanket, and you'll notice it right away when you unbox it. Because I'm not a fan of heavily weighted blankets, I opted to try out the king-size comforter with 20 pounds of weight. I felt that 20 pounds was a weight I could comfortably sleep with every night, especially since this one continues to feel cool on your skin all night. I'm a big fan of the fact that you can choose which weight you want for the blanket, no matter how small or large you want your blanket to be. Number 3. GTOP Twin Size Cooling Blankets. Bamboo Blanket for All Season. Ultra Cool Lightweight Blanket. Cooling blankets absorbs body heat to keep cool on warm night. 59 x 79 inches, gray. Even if you're a hot sleeper, you probably still want to be able to enjoy the comfort that comes from covering up with a blanket. No matter how hot outside, when you crawl into bed or lay down on the couch for sleep and settle under Dangtop Cooling Bamboo Blanket, the feeling you get is unmatched. If you've been searching for a solution to help keep you cool and comforted while also regulating your body temperature, then you must not miss the bamboo material blanket of Dangtop. This multifunctional blanket is suitable for any season. In summer, this cooling blanket is cool, but not ice cold, smooth but not sticky, and will not feel stuffy. Just use this bamboo blanket alone, and you can sleep comfortably all night. In spring and fall. Number 2. Gear Revolutionary Cooling Blanket absorbs heat to keep adults/children/babies cool on warm nights. Japanese Q-Max greater than 0.4 arc chill cooling fiber, 100% cotton backing, summer blanket for night sweat. Since I received my Gear cooling blanket, it's been my go-to blanket for naps and lounging on my couch. The temperature in my apartment gravitates between extremes. It's either way too cold with the AC on or slightly muggy with the AC off. And this blanket is comfortable in either situation, because one side of the blanket is made with a more silky, cooling Japanese Q-Max fabric that wicks away moisture, and the other side is made with 100% cotton that is better at insulating heat. You have options based on how you're feeling. If you're too hot, simply relax with the cooling material in toward you. And if you need an extra bit of warmth, swap sides to the cotton exterior. Even my husband, who always runs hot, says this is the best blanket we have in the house. Number 1. Barefoot Dreams CozyChic Throw. Cream. 54 x 72 in. Wrap yourself in the irresistible softness of our iconic CozyChic knit. An extra soft and cozy easy care fabric that won't shrink, pill, or wrinkle. A celebrity favorite, this blanket is sure to add a dash of simple elegance to your home decor. Barefoot Dreams blankets have almost become shorthand for the plush blanket category for good reason. Interior designer and illustrator Elena Fagan Darden's mom gifted her a CozyChic Throw 6 years ago, and it's been a staple in her household since then. This is my everyday blanket that I have probably had for too long, she says. Darden says her favorite cream blanket's breathable material means you won't overheat when wrapped up. The microfiber is easy to care for and shouldn't lose its softness over time.